Welcome back, class 4. I hope you all are enjoying your online study. I believe you all are doing practice of all the commands which we have learned in last chapter. This is our session 1 of chapter 5, repeat command and procedures in Logo. Students, we have already learnt to write commands in Logo. What is the use of a logo? Logo is a language which is used for drawing figures and performing simple arithmetic calculations. Students, you have already learned to draw a square in standard 3rd. Do you remember what are the commands to draw a square? Let's see. FD 50. So, turtle will move 50 units in the forward direction. RT 90. Turtle turns in the clockwise direction by 90 units. FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90. Here we used FD 50 and RT 90 4 times because a square has 4 sides. Correct? After writing these 8 commands, हमारा एक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ होता है. To avoid repetition of commands, Logo provides you with 2 options, repeat command and procedures. Let us learn about them. Repeat command. The repeat command is used to repeat a group of statements multiple times. The steps for using the repeat command are: first, write the command name. Repeat followed by a space. हमें क्या लिखना है? पहले repeat लिखना है. Then specify the number of times you want to repeat the command. हमें कितनी बार वो पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट्स रिपीट करना है, दैट नंबर वी हैव टू राइट. एंड राइट द लिस्ट ऑफ कमांड्स टू बी रिपीटेड इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स. द कमांड्स आर सेपरेटेड बाय पुटिंग अ स्पेस बिटवीन देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रिपीट 4. हमें 4 टाइम्स रिपीट करना है तो हमने 4 लिखा. कौन से कमांड्स रिपीट करने हैं? FD 50, RT 90. हमने देखा कि स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमने FD 50 एंड RT 90 4 टाइम्स लिखा था. तो हमने ये कमांड्स, जो 2 कमांड्स है, उसको स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखा. 4 टाइम्स रिपीट करना है तो हमने 4 लिखा. स्टूडेंट्स, टू ड्रॉ अ स्क्वायर वी विल राइट FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90, FD 50, RT 90. Students, you can see अपना स्क्वायर ड्रॉ हो गया. We have written FD 50 and RT 90 both for the 4 times. So, to avoid repetition of commands, we will use repeat command to draw a square. Let's draw a square using repeat command. Repeat 4, FD 50, RT 90. enter. Students, here you can see by just writing the one line अपना square draw हो गया. Drawing polygons. Students, do you know what is a polygon? It is a plane two-dimensional shape with straight sides. ऐसा कोई भी शेप जो टू डायमेंशनल है और जिसको स्ट्रेट साइड्स है, जिसको कर्व लाइंस नहीं है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पॉलीगॉन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्राइंगल, रेक्टेंगल, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, etc. Oval and circle are not a polygon because उसको कर्व्ड लाइंस रहती, स्ट्रेट लाइंस नहीं रहती हैं. Repeat command is very useful for drawing geometrical shapes such as triangle, rectangle, and so on. For drawing a shape with n sides, the turning angle is 360 divided by n. To draw a shape with three sides means triangle. The turning angle will be used 360 divided by 3. So turning angle will be 120. Students, here is the table that shows shape, number of sides, turning angles for that shape, and repeat command to draw that particular shape. Triangle, number of sides are 3. So turning angle will be 120. And how we will write repeat command? Repeat 3 in bracket FD 70 RT 120. Bracket closed. Here you can see square, pentagon, hexagon, septagon and octagon, and repeat command of those shapes. Now to draw a triangle we will write repeat 3 FD 70 RT 120. Our triangle is ready. Students, we have learned how to draw a polygon. But to draw a circle, we can also use repeat command. To draw a circle, the units by which the turtle should turn must add up to 360. For example, to draw a circle, repeat command will be repeat 360 because it will turn 360 times. Then in bracket FD1 RT1. In the above example, the turtle moves forward by 1 unit and then turn 1 unit to the right. This process continues for 360 times. In all, the turtle turns by 360 units. The output of the repeat command is shown, that is circle. To draw a circle, we will write repeat 360 FD1 RT1. Students, here you can see our circle. Procedures in logo. It takes a lot of logo commands to draw figures such as a hut. It is very tedious to type these commands all over again whenever you want to draw the same figure in logo. So To avoid retyping of commands, Logo provides the feature of procedure. The commands to perform any operations in Logo can be grouped and given a name. Such set of Logo commands is called a procedure. Every procedure has a name. The general form of the procedure is how we will write to, then the name of the procedure. After that, we are supposed to write all the Logo commands and then we will end the procedure by writing end. To draw a square, here we have written a procedure. To, then name of the procedure, that is square. Now our Logo command. Repeat 4 FD50 RT90. Last line of the procedure is end. Students, let us write a procedure in Logo to draw a square. Click in the input box and type edit followed by the name of the procedure. The name of the procedure should be preceded by a double quote. In this case, type edit double quote square. Square is the name of the procedure. Then press enter. Here I am writing square 1 as the name of the procedure. The editor window appears. You will notice that the first and last line of the procedure are already written. The first line is to and the name of the procedure, that is square 1, and the last line is end. Now position the cursor at the end of the first line and press enter. Here, type the commands to be included as a part of the procedure. That is, to draw a square, we will write repeat 4 FD50 RT90. Click on File and Save and Exit. After writing a procedure, we can call or run it by typing the procedure name in the input box and pressing enter. Here I am writing square 1 to run a procedure. When we call a procedure, all the Logo commands written inside it are executed. Here you can see a square.
तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने जो प्रोसीजर क्रिएट की थी उसे एग्जीक्यूट की. एग्जीक्यूट करना मतलब कॉल करना या रन करना होता है. आई होप you all have understood how to create a procedure and how to run it.
And what is the use of repeat command and procedure in Logo? That is all for today's session. Thank you.